With the advent of new guidance on schools having spare auto-injectors, the problem's always been is where do you put them? Because if you store them in drawers and cupboards and things, then they're out the way, they're not easy to get hold of because every second counts. The Eureka Emergency Anaphylaxis Kit is a simple solution. It's a box which you have a tamper-proof seal on, and it comes with some of the seals. So you literally just push the tamper-proof seal through the hole and you can close it. So you know that kit is complete. So when you set the kit up and you get it from new, or if you've used it, the tamper-proof seal is on there. So the kit can stay on the wall, you can get a wall-mounted bracket for it, and when you remove it from the wall-mounted bracket, it clearly states the kit is missing, so everyone knows it's been deployed, and then you can re-kit it and put it back onto the wall. Now the advantage of the kits is that it has 2 auto-injectors of each of the sizes. So for example, if you have the EpiPen version, it has 2 EpiPen Juniors and 2 EpiPen Adults. So you can choose which one the child or the adult requires. And you have 2 of them, so you've got enough. So you can deliver that second dose very, very easily if you need to. The kits can come with different choices inside them. So the kits are available. The particular one we're looking at here is an EpiPen version, but if you prefer to have a Jext version, you can have a Jext version of it. There are also kits that can have the nasal dispenser in, so you can have one of these kits that are exactly suited to the needs of the children within your school. The kit comes in a sturdy plastic box and you can get the 4 auto-injectors inside that. And also important to have it labelled well. So if you have the wall mounting bracket, that's the best case because it's very, very visual, easy to see and easy to take the box off. If you don't have the wall mounted bracket, there's also available some stickers that you can put on the wall to identify where the kit is so people can see from a distance that the kit is there. It's important with the kits to make sure you check the contents regularly. So inside the kit, there's an inspection card as well. So you can clearly mark and do your regular inspections in accordance with the policies and procedures of your school. So on this card, there's different columns. So the first column on there is the inspection date, where you can pop the date on, the number of pens that are actually in the kit, the shortest expiry date of the auto-injectors, and then the final column is just where you can put your name or your initials to say that you've actually checked it. Because having these kits is all very well, but you've got to make sure that they're in date and all the equipment's there. So if you come across a kit and the unit needs replacing, then you can just reorder some more auto-injectors and put those back into the box and then safely dispose of the old ones.